how does the type of drug impact the case process for a drug charge and a drug case in Newnan, Georgia? There's a couple of things that are going to happen, right? The first thing is whether it's marijuana and if it's a small amount of marijuana, that could affect the GBI's willingness to test a substance. So if someone has, what's suspected to be a pound of methamphetamine, the GBI is certainly going to review and test that substance. But if someone has, what's suspected to be a gram of marijuana, the GBI is giving pushback to prosecutors about actually testing that substance. So that's kind of the first thing that could kind of lead a drug case to take different paths. The next will be, are there multiple substances, right? Sometimes the GBI will test only one substance if it's thought to be more serious or something like that, okay? So that could affect what exactly the testing is done. Sometimes the GBI will outsource their testing, right? So we've seen recently where they're sending stuff to other states to be tested. So, psilocybin mushrooms or something may get sent to a lab in Pennsylvania or some other state to be tested. That could affect the witness process, right? When we come to trial, it's not going to be a GBI agent from Atlanta or Decatur where the GBI is coming down. It's going to be, is this lab technician from Pennsylvania going to make the trip, right? The weight certainly matters as well. The more weight, the more likely GBI is to kind of speed things up and those types of things. So the substance and the amount of the drug certainly can affect the timeline and the case process going forward on a drug case in Newnan.